Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today aku akan review this Anbiux webcam 130° wide angle HD USB with microphone 1080p full HD webcam. And the best part of it, webcam ini berharga RM50 and everyone can buy it. Okay, so straight out from the package, apa yang korang akan dapat is this box. Okay, so what you should know about the spec of this full HD webcam ialah ia mempunyai USB plug and play, HD resolution, widescreen video 130°, and built-in microphone. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think. Okay, so this is my first time unboxing it. Alright, so let's see how the packaging is. Alright, so straight out from the box. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, and bau kedai also. Okay, so apa yang korang akan dapat is this white package. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, and I think the weird part of this unboxing experience sebab dia tak ada instruction. Yeah, dia tak ada instruction letter. So I don't know how should I put it. Alright, but let's try to figure out. Yeah, and also I think sebab because dia cakap USB plug and play, I think apa yang aku perlu buat is just aku kena plug on my PC. Yeah, behind me, as you can see. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Alright, so okay, so ni korang punya webcam here. Alright, so I assume, yeah, I think is it even here? I think it is like here because I think this is probably the sticker, the double-sided tape yang korang akan side dekat korang punya laptop or PC or monitor. Yeah, and then this wire, and then this quite long. Yeah, almost 1 meter. Yeah. Okay, so alright, so let's kita buka dulu. It was, and I think that was the only nicest thing in the unboxing punya experience. Alright, oh, so yeah, you can basically, if you have a tripod, you also can plug it, screw it up dekat korang punya tripod. Yeah, which is, I think is a good thing to have, but does macam tak pakai sangat sebab yeah, this is webcam, so I think, but yeah, you still have an option to do any shooting with the webcam. Yeah, I think it's good, right? First and foremost, what you should do is switch on your PC. Yeah, and then this is your webcam. So the second thing you need to do is you need to play. Korang kena letak webcam korang dekat mana part yang korang suka. I think mine is supposedly here. Yeah, sebab yeah, I think this is a good place for me. Yeah, don't worry, nanti korang boleh adjust. Okay, so the second thing is you need to do is you need to plug this to your USB connector port at your PC or dekat laptop. Alright, so yeah, and the switch on button is already turned to red. Yeah, okay, so what I'm going to do next is sebab dia cakap, I'm gonna go to my setting. Alright, so dekat sini, so oh damn, yeah, as easy as that. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be releasing a new video and unboxing, and probably the iPhone 12. So korang kena follow aku juga and push the like button. Okay, I see you on the next episode.